Yize inkantolo yakhipha umyalelo ovimba Isiteleka kanye nezingxoxo ezilokuzqhubeka, abasebenzi baseNortham Platinum abakabuyeli emsebenzini. Izinkulungwane zabasebenzi babeka phansi amathuluzi befuna izinto ezimbalwa.
Firstly, management just decided to discipline workers who took ill with sick notes coming from a medical doctor, medical practitioners, and they disciplined those workers. And secondly, the company just ignored agreed agreements as well as existing HR policies. We found ourselves in a situation where management make appointment of white people without even consulting with the union. We are not surprised with the CEO, Paul Dunn. He has a history of undermining the NUM in particular. He used to be in Impala. He actually promotes divisions within the workforce. That's one of the demand to say he must remove himself from this company and his management team.
Le nkampani ithi lesiteleka sibadla isamba sika 11.5 million wamarandi ngosuku kanti abasebenzi bona balahlekelwa u2.4 million wamarandi ngelanga. Ngonyaka owedlule imboni yeImayini ekhiqiza iplatinum yabhekana nesiteleka esathatha izinyanga ezinhlanu. Izinkulungwane zabasebenzi kanye nemindeni yabo bahlala leso sikhathi ngaphandle kwamaholo noma kwenzeka lokhu inyunyana yabasebenzi iNational Union of Mine Workers ithi iyimisele ukuhlala esitelekeni kuze kutholakale isisombululo. Inyunyana iyaphika ukuthi amalunga ayo asabisa abasebenzi abangekho esitelekeni.
We can assure you there's been no intimidation. There were a group of people who reported for duty, about 100 of them, and they were not harmed. So for us, it's hogwash to claim that there's intimidation.
Yize abasebenzi abenza imisebenzi ebalulekile beqhubeka nokufika emsebenzini, kusazobonakala noma umsebenzi kule mayini uzoqala yini maduze. Ngingubongiwe Khumalo, eGoli.